Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're going to Angeles City night market with Mr. Leon. So you take a look how we use jeepney and how much we spend some money for cheap product. Salamat.
Yes, we're going to the market, night market. It's center of Angeles City. Name of market, Shaira. What name of market?
San Nicolas.
San Nicolas Market. We going to the jeepney. We use jeepney from Walking Street. It's Walking Street already. Fields Avenue, Walking Street. We will take jeepney. From terminal. What name?
At 7-Eleven main gate.
7-Eleven main gate terminal. This is place is popular for foreigner. All know this jeepney. All know this Jollibee. So we use jeepney, not car. We park car here, in Choking, and we show how to go to the night market and show what inside night market you can buy. Shaira want to buy. What you want to buy?
I want to buy some cheapest product but good quality.
Yes, I don't know, cheapest and good quality. No, you can show to our subscriber where you can buy cheapest and good quality. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Hi. Shaira, explain why so many people waiting ATM. They want.
Only salary.
It's for sale. What's why so many people don't have another ATM?
Have also ATM here, but it's more famous. Yes.
Okay. I hope not Star Train.
Oh, Star Train.
Star Train. So maybe if Star Train we will buy again umbrella. We have so many umbrella already. Angeles. Oh, so many people maybe. So maybe we can wait another jeepney, or you want to here?
But it's long time. But it's long time.
Not long time, now time 5:20, I think 5:20, so many people. Okay, I will sit in the front, you can sit in the...
Pwedeng dalawa po dito?
One. For one?
Two.
Two can do, sit, yes? It's okay, I take video how you drive. Not problem, video. Video, not problem. Okay, thank you. We sit in the... Just sit in jeepney. Не driver. Jeepney, I think most of people know jeepney is very popular in the Philippines. check documents, driver license. We don't have helmet. decoration.
Yes, it's for Valentine's Day in
February.
February 14.
So go into the night market. But where entrance night market?
So this is the entrance go to night market, guys. So let's go.
Shaira will show cheapest clothes. Shaira, this market open only Friday?
Yes, Friday.
Only Friday or Saturday?
Friday only.
Ah, only Friday, okay.
Pambata. Tandaan lang yung pambata.
120. But in Balibaga, same no?
No, it's not the same. It's
Not the same.
more expensive.
More expensive? Dior. All from France, Shaira, all. Adidas also.
May mas galit pa kayo to? 36 po yung maliit. Ano maliit? 45 ganyan? 36 lang po. Pero malaki no, ate?
Big for you, little bit. Shaira, start rain. Need to buy umbrella now. Start rain. Maybe rain not for long time. It's not good.
Thank you.
We remove all clothes because start rain.
Pili lang t-shirt.
And not so many people now because rain. I will buy this slippers. It's 180 peso only, but it's good quality. And Shaira also bought. What you bought, Shaira? Show it.
For home.
For home.
Yes, it also can go outside.
The
like-
180, same.
Yes, but it's good quality already.
No, good, yes. Big.
Big already.
Already don't have rain, very good. Where you want to go? Again, start rain little bit. A little bit rain, it's okay, no problem. $50.
Bayad ng 300 yung bayad.
So many 50 pesos.
All for 50 peso, all. Also 100 peso. 50 peso. This for children maybe. This is for children.
This one it's
100 peso. 2 for 280.
Bernadette. Bernadette.
Hey bro, this is good for you.
For me?
Hey, no.
I'm not Bakla.
I'm not the not like the Bernadette. Bernadette is dead.
Hey bro, this is good for me.
I don't know. I don't know.
Land the Philippines, that's a cool.
Yeah.
That's a cool.
Just a full.
Okay.
That's in the map, bro.
We seen already and we show already how we go to night market and what we buy and how much every things we buy. So I bought some slippers and simple shorts. So, thank you for watching guys. Salamat.